Morning guys, July 25th, 2022. This one I got a call from a guy, no AC, or a problem with his air conditioning. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. You can help out this cat, Molly. See if we can.
What, 15 years old?
He's definitely a little cookie. Starting. Compressor started, might be out of gas. Not cool. It's not cooling, you're saying, huh? The fan does run? Alright, let me put my gauges on it. What's left of them? Yeah, it might not have any gas in it. That's what happened to the last one, remember?
Yeah, it leaked out.
We'll see if we got any gas in the thing, first of all. I know these are pistons, so. It's R22. See our high superheat, low suction. Gonna need some gas. 50, too low. See our superheat at 47, that's too high. Gotta come down with that. Our subcooling at 6. I know it's a piston, so I'm gonna give it a little higher doing some R22. This is R22 for sure, I know that. Alright, so we'll give it a little higher doing. Bring that subcooling up. Bring that watch this right here. This will start when it starts coming back, starts dropping. We know we're gonna be close. We should be above around 60 or so, above 60 on this suction for sure. Well, do should do you, mama. Keep an eye on this right here. Our suction line coming back. When that starts dropping, we know our charge is getting close. This is R22. Bring our subcooling up to probably 10 or so. We're watching this right here. See how it's staying? It's not cool. It's starting. Once it starts dropping, we know our suction's starting to come back cold. 95 degree days, 100 degree days, this thing wasn't going to keep up. Can't stop a train. Yeah, I have to stop a train, alright. See, we're at 72 now. Superheat's coming down. Subcooling came up. It's starting to drop here with this. Might have to add a little bit more to it. We're dropping here. Give it a minute here. Don't want to overshoot it. panel back on. I don't need to worry about that anymore. Got a couple of bats in the belfry, Mama. See, this is starting to drop here now. See it? This is starting to drop. So I'm cooling around 8. It's a piston, so we're gonna go by the superheat. Superheat at 25 would be fine. Suction at 74. That's good. Still dropping here on our suction line coming back. Take a lot. I'd rather use these. Jack them on there. In case there's any leakers.